Wola, 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 Ndwana. I hope you are still keeping well and welcome back to South African TikTok Moment. So we all know, or at least have seen videos, pics, or all sorts of footage from Anele Mdoda's traditional wedding. Ndwana, so last I checked, if Lobola had been settled, you are fully the bride to that family. But listen to what, or how, Anele rather, views the event.
I'm not married.
Yeah, okay, that's
Precisely.
the thing. We have to clear a few things up.
What you have been witnessing on social media was not a wedding. That was the final celebration, the final installment of Lobola being paid to my family from my fiance's family. Baza is my fiance. He's not my husband yet. We're not married. They just finalized paying Lobola.
Now, Kanjani Ndwana Sayama, how are you not married? Isn't this statement somehow offensive to the groom's family, Godwa? Now, I know fully well that we're living in a modern age and define things differently, but kanjani bo? Now, Anele and Bonalele's celebration was a beautiful traditional Xhosa event with guests from all tribes and nationalities dressed in traditional Xhosa imibhaco, beautiful deco which gave an African feel and look, and the lighting was perfect. So this wedding celebration went viral, with many comparing it to that of former Miss South Africa, uZozibini. So both couples had been extremely secretive about their big days. Then all of a sudden, boom, beautiful brides and grooms, beautiful wedding attires, beautiful celebrations, and our couples are married. So back to Anele and Bonalele's traditional wedding. What more could a bride ask for? All right, so many of us know Anele to be a radio personality with 94.7. We know that she's also a television personality, a businesswoman, and an author.
Mark chapter 11, verse 3. The Lord needs it. The Lord is in need of it. Iyafuneka enkosini. I'm going to paraphrase quickly.
So Anele's husband, who is Bonalela James, is from the Batembu royal family, an attorney of the High Court in South Africa, as well as a devoted Christian, judging from the content he posts on social media. And now that we have been informed by Anele that the celebration that took place was just to finalize Ilobola, I and many others like myself are looking forward to viewing the actual wedding, which is the white wedding, I suppose. Now, if this type of content interests you, celebrity news, current trending matters, South African trending matters, influencers, and such, please subscribe to my channel. But your engagement and your likes on my posts will mean even more. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch, and I hope to see you again very, very soon on the next video.